In this video, I am going to go through sales transactions. So we're going to do quotes, sales orders, and invoices. Let's just begin. So when we do a quote, we quite simply click on the New button. We choose our customer. All right. We add an item. And the items that we are going to add are going to be in the racing cycle category for this one. So we're going to add one of these bikes. We can insert that item. We may also add something that perhaps would be a accessory. Good. So the cycling helmet is exactly what we want, and let's throw one of those in. All right. So there is our quote, the items. This is where we could add a discount if we were doing like a friends and family or it was on sale, but at this point there is no discount. There's also no freight because this is just a quote at this point. And there is our quote. Okay, so we can now move on to sales order. Sales orders are exactly the same. Let's go to new. So you would do this exactly in the same way as we did the quote, but we also have this button. We can import from our quote. Our quote was healthy cycling, so let's pull that in. This customer usually approves quotes through the portal, but for this particular time, we need to override that. And we're just going to say it's because they're here. Okay, so here is the sales order. Now with the sales order, it's exactly the same as the quote. And there's no freight because they are here for pickup. So let's just save that. All right, and that has been saved. So now let's move on to invoices. As you can see, this is all very, very simple. We move to invoice. And again, we could repeat the whole process, or we can import either from the quote or from the sales order. Let's go to the sales order. Healthy cycling. And everything automatically fills in. But being as this is the invoice and this bicycle is a serial numbered item, you can see this little barcode here. If you click on the barcode, it's going to tell you that you have these two serial numbers available to you. So you just get to choose whatever serial number the bicycle is and save. When you get that little green check mark, that means that you have entered the serial number that you are selling, and we've decided now to add a discount because they are such a good customer. So we're only going to discount the bicycle. Let's see what our discounts are. We have a seasonal. Let's just use that and apply. Now you can see how much the discount was, which brings the net total down for them. And we can save. So now if we go to Invoice Manager, we can see this is the new saved item. It is as simple as that to be able to do a quote, a sales order, or an invoice. Very, very quick, very, very easy. Thank you so much for listening.